everybody. As promised, you may have seen me advertise that I was going to unbox this beautiful paper pumpkin live today. I haven't broken the seal at all. I haven't seen inside it. This is a big thing for us in the UK. Everywhere apart from America and Canada have been waiting desperately. Comes through your letterbox. You can see it's designed to all be very compact and mailable. So this particular one has been designed by Shelli Gardner, who is the co-chair and the chair and co-founder of Stampin' Up. You may remember, if you've been with buying Stampin' Up products for a while, that she was the CEO, but she's now handed over to her daughter Sarah Douglas, who is also amazing. But to actually have Shelli, whose passion for stamping created this huge company that is now award-winning, so you know that you're in safe hands with this particular box. So without further ado, let's get it open, because I'm sure you all want to see it. I'm just going to check my feed to see if I can see. I'm definitely broadcasting, guys. My tablet does weird things, but yes. Oh yeah, I think you can see me. Okay, so take my snips carefully without cutting myself, and let's get this open. So as we can see, we've got a little early espresso stamping spot, so you don't even need to buy any ink if you're brand new to stamping. And we've got this exclusive stamp set. Oh, that's very nice. So we've got grateful, hello, feather, and we've got some little splodges for you, the bird, love. I think that is an ampersand. Maybe I put my glass on. And thank you, hugs, dear friend, another bird, and some flowers there. So let's open the tissue and see what we have. Oh, I'm just thinking this would make a very nice gift, wouldn't it? Who wouldn't like to get one of these? Okay, so here we are. Let's set this to one side. So it looks like we get all of our instructions in here. Let's open this up. Okay. Let's try and do it carefully, but that's not going to happen, is it? Let's get it all out and see. So let's have a look at this first of all. So we have a little instruction booklet. It shows us exactly how to put this together. So it's all in numbered order. So they all correspond by the looks of it. So number 1, stamp tags and card bases. Number 2, adhere die cuts and metal embellishments to tags. Number 3, adhere 5 inches of velvet ribbon. Number 4, add twine to cards. Number 5, adhere tag using dimensionals. So it's all pretty self-explanatory there. I don't think you'll struggle too much if you haven't crafted before. So this packet, then we have our twine, and this one too. This is the velvet ribbon. This is in the new in colour, isn't it? This is pretty peacock. So we have our dimensionals, foam pads if you're not used to Stampin' Up speak. I think these are probably the glue dots, are they? Is that what it said? Yes, 50 adhesive dots. And these are the cards that you can make. So we've got the glue dots there. And these beautiful, that's a swallow, isn't it? It looks like a swallow. So you get 4 of those, and they go on. How do they go on then? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, here we go. Goes on this hello friend. So it tells you here everything that you get in your kit is the Hugs from Shelli photopolymer stamp set. We've seen that. Early espresso classic stamping spot. These are great if you've got the Stamparatus, by the way, because it's just really easy to use on there. 12 printed card bases and 12 printed envelopes. So 12 printed card bases. So 3 of each. Ooh, that's rather nice, isn't it? Love the detail in these, they're just great. 3 of these. I'll get to that in a second. 3 of these. And this is, I made one of these on stage. Love the general feel of that. 3 of those, and let's have a look at the envelopes. And look at the inside of the envelopes as well. That's all decorated. Oh, it's a different one. I nearly scooched past that one. Very nice. Lined inside. 3 of those. This one. And lines inside there, and 3 of these. So cute with their little bird's nest, and leaves inside that one. I'm very pleased with all the birds in the annual catalogue this year, considering that is my logo. Thank you very much, Stampin' Up, I appreciate that. So then what else have we got? We have got 1 sheet of printed vellum die cuts. These. Let's have a look at that properly. How gorgeous is that? Just be careful with this. You may want to be a little more careful when you're unboxing yours. That is beautiful. Very nice. Like that a lot. And then we are up to 1 sheet of printed die cut elements. So those, they literally just pop out. Easy peasy. And yeah, and the velvet ribbon that I showed you. So we have the velvet ribbon, which I already showed you. Pink thread and the linen thread. Your dimensionals and your sticky dots and your little birdies, right? And then we have the die cut framed as well. Again, they just pop out and they're all beautifully foiled. It's like a rose gold, and then you've got those as well. So enough to make all 3 each of all of these cards. And they'll come together really easily for you. So you just need to add your stamping block to put your stamps onto. And I think you will just need some regular glue as well, and that's all you need to add to it if you want to make these. So by purchasing this, you can actually see my my code just at the top of this page to order this. I'll take you straight to the Paper Pumpkin page. If you haven't ordered from me previously, or you haven't ordered in the last 6 months, that's also going to qualify you to get a free copy of the new annual catalogue, and I will send that to you free of charge on receipt of your order. So you just literally click on the where it says Paper Pumpkin UK, and they'll take you to that. If you enter the free gift code, then I'll send you a little gift along with your new catalogue. I can't sadly show you inside this, but as you can see, it comes out on the 4th of June. And with that, I do need to just remind you that these catalogues will end on the 3rd of June. So if there's anything in there that's retiring, you can go through to my website. You can use the same link as I've got above here to see what's retiring, to make sure you grab hold of anything that you want before it is gone. So that is it for the Paper Pumpkin unboxing. I'm very excited to put these together. I've actually got a class, some ladies coming along, and we're going to put these together. I might just have to do one of each at least before Saturday, because I can't actually wait, and of course I need to show them the real examples. So all of these goodies for only £20, and you get that stamp set as well. You've got something you can take along with you if you've got students that you want to send something to. Well, they're finishing uni now, but anyway, actually they can do this whilst they're off uni for months and months and months. So all of this makes a great gift. So get one for yourself to put together. We'll have a nice girls' night in, putting them together, and you'll have all of these amazing cards, and they'll say, wow, how did you do that? So this great kit, you can carry it along in the car with you if you are waiting at doctors or waiting for kids to finish their clubs. It's perfect. So go ahead and click on the link above, and if you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments below. And I'll see you really soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.